They doubted you. They laughed at you. They told you you weren't enough. And here you are, still standing. Here's what most people don't understand about revenge. The kind that burns the longest. Isn't anger. It's not rage. It's not a comeback line at 2 a.m. It's success. Cold, quiet, undeniable. Segment number 1, the wound that fuels you. Every person watching this right now has a name in their head. Maybe it's a person who walked out on you. Maybe it's a boss who fired you and said you'll never make it. Maybe it's a family member who bet against you at the dinner table. Maybe it's an entire room of people who underestimated you. And that wound, that specific moment when someone made you feel small, you never forget it. Most people let that pain destroy them. They replay the moment. They drink it. They carry it like a stone in their chest. But the rare few, they convert it. They take that exact same pain, not to impress anyone, not to post it on Instagram, but because something deep inside them decided, I will not let this be the end of my story. Segment number 2, why silence is your greatest weapon. Here's something nobody tells you about success. The most powerful move you can make right now is to disappear. Not forever, but long enough to become someone they don't recognize. Stop explaining yourself. Stop defending your dreams to people who never had any. Stop looking for validation from the same people who disrespected your vision. Every second you spend arguing your worth to the wrong people is a second stolen from building it. The greatest revenge isn't a speech. It's the moment they Google your name and can't believe what they find. It's the silence after your results speak. It's the look on their face when they realize they almost had you. Almost. Segment number 3. The process is the punishment. Now here's where most people quit. Because success as revenge sounds powerful in theory, but the reality is 5 a.m. alarms when nobody's watching. The reality is failure after failure with zero applause. The reality is choosing discipline on the days when motivation is completely gone. And that's exactly why most people never make it, because they want the result without the process. But you're different. You've already been through something hard. You've already survived embarrassment, rejection, or loss, which means you know something most people don't. You can handle discomfort, and that right there is your unfair advantage. While they're scrolling, while they're gossiping, while they're living the same day on repeat, you are in the lab. You are in the dark. You are becoming. Segment number 4. What real revenge actually looks like. Real revenge doesn't look like you standing over someone saying, I told you so. Real revenge looks like peace. It looks like waking up one morning and realizing you don't even think about them anymore. It looks like a life so full, so focused, so on fire, that the people who hurt you become irrelevant, not forgiven, not forgotten, irrelevant, because you outgrew the wound, because you used the pain as fuel until the fuel ran out, and by then, you'd already arrived somewhere they couldn't reach you. That's the deepest revenge of all. Not that you won, but that you moved on. So let me leave you with this. The people who hurt you, they're waiting to see if you'll quit, waiting to be proven right. Don't give them that. Not with words, not with arguments. With your life, build something, create something, become something, and one day, not for them, but for you, you'll look back at that moment they called you nothing, and you'll smile, because it was exactly what you needed. Success is the only revenge, and yours is just beginning.